Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting the watch face down on a soft cloth and removing any current band. Press the small lug release button and slide the band out. Once done, inspect the mesh band ends and quick release pins for alignment and debris. Make sure the magnetic clasp is open and the small spring pins are facing into the watch lugs. This gets you into position quickly. Don't waste time fiddling. Align the rail with the lug slot and prepare to slide straight in. You now attach the mesh band by angling one end into the lug slot and compressing the spring pin just enough to clear the opposite hole. Slide the rail straight in until you feel or hear a click. Once one side seats, repeat on the other side. Align, compress, and release. Make sure the band lies flat against the watch case and that the quick release pins are flush. Once both sides click, tug gently to confirm security. If it moves, reseat the offending end. You finish by folding the magnetic clasp over the mesh and sliding it until the watch sits comfortably on your wrist. The magnet gives micro-adjustment without cutting the band. Once set, rotate the watch and ensure the mesh doesn't snag clothing and the clasp holds under light tugging. If a side pops out, remove the band and check the spring pin and lug for dirt or bent ends. Clean both, depress the pin fully, and reseat until you get a definitive click. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.